This is Arnaldo Santos, owner of an Isuzu D-Max. This is Danilo De Jesus, owner of an Isuzu truck. As with all customers, their goal is to run a successful business and be able to control the costs in every way. Identifying potential problems in your vehicle will help reduce operating costs while increasing the long-term value of the vehicle. Introducing the new Isuzu Health Report. With the new Isuzu Health Report, in just 10 to 15 minutes, customers are given clear indications of potential problems and list important details of major components' current operating status that's beneficial to Isuzu vehicle owners and operators for both private and commercial usage. By providing them the latest in technology, Isuzu can now provide customers instant access to these valuable data. Our Isuzu experts are well equipped to produce vehicle health reports that show the current status. Data such as fuel economy and running cost helps increase fuel savings and lessen maintenance cost. Start-stop frequency to prolong engine and brake service life. Mountain travel to optimize the use of clutch and brake components. Exhaust brake usage to enhance braking efficiency. Accelerator pedal usage on acceleration to promote traffic safety for efficient driving. Accelerator pedal usage on accelerator level to maximize wear and tear of engine components. Knowing all the facts puts you in control. That's also true when it comes to maintaining your Isuzu vehicles. After all, maintaining a healthy vehicle is a great way to protect your investment. Visit your nearest Isuzu dealer now.